Yes, everyone. I welcome you all, and today I will be dealing with language processor, as you can very well find out. Now, language processor is very important. Why it is important? Because suppose I am speaking in English with you. If I speak in any other language, then the person the person to whom I am speaking to must be knowing that language. In a similar way, this language in computers, if I am doing Java, or if I am doing C++, or if I am doing C, these are the examples of language in computers. It can be any language. It can be Python. So these languages must have a processor, that is a language processor, which will help the particular language, either Python, Java, C, C++, any language, to be converted into machine language so that the machine can understand. The example which I have given is that if I speak in English to you and you are not understanding English, then you will not understand anything. So there must be someone who will help you to make you understand. And that is the processor, that is the language processor. So an interpreter is a language processor, it interprets something, so it is a long language processor. So in this case, any language you are putting in, that should be converted into the machine language and the machine must understand. So let us see what is a language processor. Software is required to convert the human instructions into machine understandable instructions. So I give one instruction, that instruction must be followed by the particular computer. So this is what a language processor does. And there are three basic types of computer languages. So you can tell types of computer languages. So that is, number one is a machine language, number two is the assembly language, and number three is the high-level language. I have told about the high-level language like Java, C++, okay, Python, these are high-level languages. And if you come to the machine language, so machine language are, when the machine understands 0 and 1 port, so this language is nothing but a string of zeros and ones. Nothing means there is only zeros and ones. Nothing but means only zeros and ones. That the machine can understand, it is completely machine dependent. Why? Because each machine will be having each construct. Like someone can be 8-bit, someone can be 16-bit. Okay, so depending on the machine, this particular machine language will work on, right? Now, assembly language which uses symbols, mnemonics, or can be a string of zeros and ones. To, like what it tells, this language uses symbols. Which language? Assembly language. Symbols called mnemonics. M-E-M-O-N-I-C-S. A lot of mnemonics are English-like words, like MOV, move. Okay, you will be using that in the language of mnemonics, that is the assembly language, or symbols used to denote a long string of zeros and ones, as I told. Assembly level language also machine dependent. So this is also machine dependent, this is also machine dependent, these both are machine dependent, but high level language is not machine dependent. You get it? High level language, HLL, this language uses English like words. Okay, so everyone can easily write down the programs. Why high level language? Everyone can write down the programs. You see the Java program, you see the GW basic program, all you do is print. That means you know print means to print. So this language uses English like languages and is completely independent of machine. So it can be working on any machine. It does not depend on a machine. To create, read and understand. Examples are already given: QBasic, GWBasic, C++, Python, and Java. So these are examples of high-level language. So today's class you have understood language processor. So there is a language processor and the types of languages are machine language, assembly language, and high-level language. This all we have done today. Hope it will be clear and you will be able to understand. Thank you.